Hi. As a business owner, sometimes you might have to send SMS to your customers. It could be as bulk SMS. So there are many websites that give you the options for sending bulk SMS. But however, from my experience, I have felt that TextLocal provides the best service among many of them that are there. So I have been using TextLocal for some time now. So I'll quickly show you how you could use the features of it. Okay. So let's quickly see the features. So you can send SMS, receive SMS, SMS attachments, track SMS campaign, and there are a couple more features that are also available. Okay, let's check send SMS features. Okay, now if I scroll down, you have two types of SMS sending options. One is promotional SMS and other is transactional SMS. Now there is some limitation with the promotional SMS. So configured by default for all the new accounts, promotional SMS is generally used for sending any offers of promotions to new and existing customers. Basically, these are the marketing messages so one could send. Okay, messages are sent to non-DND numbers. So basically, if somebody has opted for do not disturb, then they wouldn't be getting these messages. From my experience, out of 100 contacts, 20 to 30% of the contacts would fall under DND. So only 70 to 80% of the messages, 70 to 80% of the people would be getting the messages. Okay, so that's and the other limitation is you can send the SMS only between 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. only. So that's promotional SMS. Now transactional SMS are something like say it says like transactional route can only be used for sending transactional SMS such as OTPs and alerts to your registered users. Messages can be sent 24 bar 7 for your from your 6 character sender ID. So that's this sender ID will be given to you by text local. Okay, so they say like to configure a transactional route, create your account and contact sales team. So there is certain process for you to enable transactional SMS. Okay, so this is what the features what you can get. So it's very simple. Just click on the link below what I have given and then click on sign up. Okay, just enter your email ID and create your free account. Okay, so that's how you can start. And let's see the pricing also. Compared to a couple of other websites who offer similar service, I felt that text local has a decent pricing. So you could see that 10 messages are free. That's what it says. For 1000 messages, you pay 270 rupees. So that's roughly around 27 paise per SMS. Okay. So they have the bundles what you can purchase, and the beauty of it is the moment you purchase for 2000 messages, it doesn't have any expiry date. So if you are not using it this month, you can probably use next month or month after that. So that's what it's lifetime validity of SMS credits. All you need to do is just click on buy and you can get the credits. Okay, so that's how it is. Now let me just quickly log into my account. Okay, so I'll log in. So once you log in, this is how it looks. So I have already purchased the credits. All you need to do is click on buy to get that. So if I click on buy here, so you could purchase using the options whatever they have. All right. Okay. So let me go to the dashboard again. Now say for example, I want to send messages now. Just go to contacts. I would prefer creating a contact group. So let's say I'll create a contact group. Okay. I'll go here and create a new group, or you can just go to contacts and click on create group if you're planning to send bulk SMS. Okay, so let's say 14 Jan 2020. So that's the list what I want to create. I click on create group. So once you create the group, you can manually add the contacts or you can upload. So let me just click on this, click on upload. Okay, so it says either you can add single contacts, which is a tedious process, or you can also paste a list. Okay, or you can upload a file. So this is the list I have created, and for privacy reasons I am not showing the contact numbers here. Okay, so let me just go to text local and upload the file. Okay, upload file. I'll go to desktop and I'll select text local. Okay, so it's uploaded. So once you upload, you could see that the names have been uploaded, and it says, so first name you make sure that you are selecting as name. So when you create the Excel sheet, it should have like name, phone number, like that. Okay, so it says first name I am mapping it to the name and number to phone. Okay, so that's correct. After that is done, once that is done, I click on import contacts. Okay, so it says contacts were imported successfully. So let me go to contact groups. So 14 Jan 2020. So I have 94 contacts added. Okay, now I have the contacts added. So let me just quickly send the SMS as well. Okay, so let's go to send text messages. Now I have already say you could type the message, or you could type and keep it as a template. Okay, once you send a message, it will automatically come under templates. Okay, or in the history. So let's say I want to select okay, so this is the message what I want to send. Okay, great to have you registered for YouTube Mastercard. Just remember that sessions will start at 8:30 p.m. today. Okay, so this is the message what I want to send, and I want to send it to this list. Okay, it says like I have used 158 characters, so all good. Now I want to send this message right away. So all I need to do is click on send message. Now here you could see that out of 98 contacts or something, only message will be sent to 67 contacts. 27 are DND, correct, as I said earlier. So just click on send message. Okay, so message has been sent. Now if you want to schedule it, you can do that as well. So let me just do one scheduling also. Okay, I'll better use this. So if you want to send a reminder email, okay, just 1 hour, I'll say 1 hour to start the YouTube masterclass. Okay, and I'll select, say this is the message what I want to send, just 1 hour. I'll schedule it, and I'll schedule it for say for example 9:30. Yeah, that's set. Okay, so sorry, that's 7:30 p.m. correct, and all I'll do is send message. So this is the message that I have scheduled. Okay, just click on send message. Done. So this is how exactly you can send messages through text local and increase your business turnover, or the customer engagement and things like that. Hope this video has helped you. If it has helped you, then please do like and subscribe to the channel. See you. Bye bye.